How to pay using Venmo Balance. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me, Bipin Basant, and today I'll guide you on how you can pay using Venmo Balance without actually using your card or the account that you have added, the payment account that you have added on the Venmo app. Well, first and foremost things, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to log into your account, right? Once you're logged in there, what you want to do is you want to check if the Venmo Balance is enabled. To do so, you will have to head into the settings and then choose payment methods option, and if Venmo Balance is present on the screen stop, it means the feature is enabled. If not, you'll have to verify your identity. Now for that, you'll have to navigate to settings and choose identity verification and then verify through the app. Remember, this option isn't available on the website. Now once you have done so, you want to head into the pay or request option and select pay, and then find the recipient and then type the transfer amount that you want to pay or request for, and then simply choose pay option. And once you do so, you want to pay with Venmo Balance by using the option. Now after you have tapped on the pay button with the recipient's name and amount, tap on it and the transfer amount will be deducted from your Venmo Balance. If you have insufficient balance, you can withdraw money from your linked credit card or bank account as well. So this way you can pay using Venmo Balance. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.